Hello students, you are welcome in Mathematics Chapter 2 Part 2, Chapter 2 which is Relations and Functions. Today we want to discuss about relations. A relation is a subset of Cartesian product set. To understand, you consider two sets, let set A containing elements A and B, let set B containing Akash and Bala, two elements. Now you find Cartesian product of A and B, so A cross B. So you write all ordered pairs. So these are the ordered pairs. Now a relation, it is represented by symbol R, is a subset of A cross B. It means what are the number of subsets? These are 2 raised to the power 4. We have done the formula. It means there are 2 raised to the power 4 relations possible from A to B. Now because R is a subset, so it means the elements of R that will be in the form of ordered pairs as present in A cross B. Now the Cartesian product is in the set builder form is written like this: all elements x comma y, where x is element of set A, the first element belongs to the first set, and y is an element of set B, second element belongs to the second set. Now you consider R a relation which is subset of A cross B. Let R is a set xy where x belongs to A, y belongs to B, and x is the first letter of the name given in y. So the name y. Now we have to write ordered pairs which satisfy this condition. It means the first should be the first letter of the name of the second. So it means out of these the elements given in A cross B, we have to select elements like A and Akash, because A, this is the first letter of the word Akash, of the name Akash. Similarly, this will not be selected. Similarly, B and Bala, so the two elements. So the R in roster form will contain these two elements, A, Akash, B and Bala. So the two elements only. You consider now the definition. A relation R from non-empty set A to non-empty set B is a subset of A cross B. The subset is derived by describing a relationship between the first element and the second element of the ordered pairs in A cross B. It means we have to describe a relation in the two elements. In Q, all members of a family have been divided into two parts. The elements of P are two children in the family, and elements of Q are parents, so Ramesh and Santosh. Now P cross Q, we can write the Cartesian product. It will contain 4 elements. Now R is a relation defined as xy, where x is a son of y. X is a son of y. Now we have to select the elements from this set which satisfy this condition. It means the first element that should be son of the second. Now you consider, because Ravi is a male child, so Ravi and Ramesh, because Ravi is the son of Ramesh. Similarly, Ravi and Santosh, because Ravi is son of Santosh also, because she is her mother. So is his mother. So there are two elements which satisfy the condition. So this is R in roster form. This is R in set builder form. Now there are some important points to consider regarding relations. The second element is called image of the first element, where first element can be said pre-image. So second element is always image. So it means y is image of x. Now set of all first element of the ordered pairs in R is called domain. Set of all values of x will be domain of R. Similarly, set of all second element of the ordered pairs of R is called range of R. And R, if R is a relation from A to B, then set B is called codomain. And one more important point, the range that should be subset of codomain. Now if R is a relation in set A, then it means in symbols we will write down R is a relation from A to A. It means the domain element will belongs to A, and this is codomain, so therefore range element will belongs to A. You can also say that image will belongs to this set and pre-image will belongs to this set. You consider another example to understand relations. Let A is a set of elements containing 1, 2, 3. B is set of elements containing few elements. R is a relation from A to B defined by R is xy, where x belongs to A, y belongs to B, and y is a square of x. Y is a square of x. So it means we have to write down all elements of R. It means R in roster form. So you select the first element of A1, and the second element should be square of the first element. So square of 1 is 1. So 1, 1. Similarly, all order pairs that will be rejected. Now the second element of A is 2. Now what is square of 2? It is 4. We will search whether it is present or not. Yes, it is present. So pair of 2 with 4. So 2, 4. Similarly 3, 9. And there are these 3 elements. So this is roster form of R. Now we can write down domain of R. I told you domain is the set of first element. So first element is 1, 2 and 3 of all ordered pairs. So domain is a set containing 1, 2, 3. Write in the form of set. Similarly range. Range is the set of all images. Images are 1, 4 and 9. So you write image, that is range. And what is codomain? If R is relation from A to B, then this second is called codomain. So codomain is set B. This range is a subset of codomain. You can satisfy. So this is about relations and functions. Now you try to understand the arrow diagram. How can this relation be represented? Now set A and set B, A containing elements 1, 2, 3. Similarly, elements of B, R is a relation from A to B, so arrow should be towards B. And we will write down the pairing which satisfies the condition. So 1, 1, 1. Similarly 2 paired with 4, because we have defined the relation in the previous example. So in this example, so 1, 4, 1, 1 is the first element. So 1 will be paired with 1. Similarly 2, 4. So 2 will be paired with 4. Similarly 3 with 9, and with the help of this connecting arrows. So this is arrow diagram. Similarly, in the previous example we have considered the set PQ, and R is a relation where X is the son of Y. So then arrow diagram describing this relation. Now P containing 2 elements, Ravi and Usha. Now Q containing 2 elements. Now this is Ravi connected to Ramesh because Ravi is the son of Ramesh, and Ravi is also connected to Santosh because Ravi is the son of Santosh also. So in this way we can draw arrow diagrams. I hope it is clear. Now you try to solve this exercise. Thank you.